Good morning. A pleasant welcome. This is LNTV Live. We are coming to you this morning right before criminal proceed at the grounds of the Temple of Justice in Monrovia. This morning, Samuel Tweh, Jefferson Camo, Moses Cooper, and others. Economic sabotage case is currently going on. A criminal proceed at the Temple of Justice in Monrovia. On Friday of last week, the 10-count motion filed by defense lawyer held by Councilor Arthur Johnson to dismiss the current ongoing case on ground that the over $6 million United States used by Samuel Tweh, Jefferson Camo, Stanley Cooper, and others were used on security purpose. But the reliance is the National Security Reform Act of 2011, but the judge of criminal proceed at the Temple of Justice, Roosevelt Willett, denied that 10-count motion filed by defense lawyers and ruled in favor of prosecution. Now, this morning, the case has resumed. We have been in there. Fabian Quia, who is the judicial reporter of the Liberia broadcasting system, was in there, and we will have one-on-one with Fabian to bring you up to speed the happening from the courtroom. But we are still here, making sure, as we speak, the former Finance and Development Planning Minister Samuel Tweh, the former National Security Advisor to the former President George Weah, Jefferson Camo is also in there, and you have Moses Cooper, the former Executive Director of the Financial Intelligence Unit of Liberia, is also in there, and you have Stanley Ford also in there. You have the former Solicitor General of the Republic of Liberia and one-time acting county attorney of the Republic of Liberia also in there. So 5 of them are currently on the bench, on the personal bench right there at criminal proceed Temple of Justice in Monrovia. And Judge Roosevelt Willett is the presiding judge of criminal proceed here at the Temple of Justice, based on the recusal of Judge Blamo Dixon, who is the resident circuit judge of criminal proceed at the Temple of Justice, based on some relationship with the defendants. He was asked by the Supreme Court of Liberia to recuse himself. So Judge Roosevelt Willett is currently presiding over this case. Now, this case is scheduled 3 times a week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, beginning at 9 a.m. till later time in the day. So like I said, on last week Friday, the 10-count motion filed by defense lawyer to dismiss a case on ground that the money used by a former government official were used for national security operation. So it was based on that, according to the reliance, which was the 2011 new Security Reform Act. The case should be dismissed. They should not be held liable, or they should not be held to account for this particular Okay, so folks, as we speak, they are currently in court. Samuel Tweh, Jefferson Camus, Moses Cooper are currently in court. So we will take a break. As soon as they shall come outside, we will continue with our life. But what we can say, if both defense, prosecution are all in court currently, and hearing of the case is currently going on. And the defense is held by Councillor Arthur Johnson, Councillor Kuman is also there, and the prosecution is held by the current county attorney for Mosorado County, Councillor Richard Scott, and also in court you have the current Solicitor General of the Republic of Liberia, Councillor Augustine Fire, are also in court, making sure that this case is brought to logical conclusion. And like I told you earlier, this case is a juror case. It's not a bench trial. A bench trial is determined by the judge alone, but a jury trial is determined by the juror that will be selected from various governmental ministry agencies. So currently going in court is a former Deputy Minister for Ministry of Public Works, the Joseph Tweh. Joseph Tweh is currently making a way in criminal proceedings at the Temple of Justice here in Monrovia. So we are posted right here, making sure that we bring you full details at this. So if you look around here, there's a free movement of people. And earlier on, we got a report that the former Speaker of the House of Representatives should have appeared this morning for questioning regarding the ongoing case of the arson attack at the Capitol building. A few minutes ago, we also got a report that his appearance had been postponed to later time. So we are here at the grounds of the Temple of Justice in Monrovia, bringing you live happening on criminal proceedings at the Temple of Justice, where all eyes and ears are currently awaiting the final argument and the final ruling in this case. Thank you so much. We are taking a break to be back.